All right, guys, welcome back. We're back in the saddle. We got a trapping permit for a red-tailed hawk from the Division of Wildlife. So we're looking for another female red-tail. At least 41 or 42 ounces with no crop is what my goal is. Might be able to get back to that golf course where we got the first one here soon. We'll find out. Anyone that's subscribed, I appreciate you subscribing. Helps us out. If you haven't subscribed, if you don't mind, it would help us out big time. Just trying to get the channel on its feet and get going. So I've been out twice so far by myself since I've gotten my new permit, and have been having a rough go of it, but had to call the big guns in. So I brought my my nephews, Jake and Ryan. So they're going to help us out, and we have a good start. We just started driving around, and there's a juvenile red tail on a pole, and we just put the trap out for it. So let's see if we can get this thing snagged here. All right, guys, that bird did not get stuck on the trap. We kept having steady cars bump the hawk off, but I just wanted to show you guys. I've never had this happen before. So see this like dark blob? Hopefully it shows up on the camera there. But that's just, while the hawk was on the trap, it coughed up its casting, which is feather, bone, things like that that don't pass through its body from its crop from yesterday. So what's neat is it's got feathers in it. So it must have caught a bird yesterday, which is, unless it's roadkill, which I don't see any birds on the road anywhere in this whole stretch. it got a bird somehow, so which is kind of rare for a red-tailed hawk. But yeah, we're going to move on and see if we can find another juvenile bird. All right, guys, good footage, but we did not catch anything today. It's kind of been my thing the last 2 weeks since I got my new permit. But we're going to try the golf course here soon. See if we can get another golf course bird. If there's only males, then I'm just going to leave them. I don't want a male. If that's the case, then we'll run around the state and look for, a big female. So, yeah, it was pretty neat seeing the casting today. On the trap. That's not happened to me before, and it's neat to see like what the bird ate the day before. Clearly that one had a bird, and red-tails don't usually catch birds, but there is a good chance a car hit a little bird, a robin or whatever it was, and the hawk saw an easy meal, and it's a young bird, maybe it hasn't been eating anything in the last day or two, so roadkill is not off the table for the birds when it comes to survival. So, especially in the winter time, when you get that snow and ice layer over everything and the mice are working under all the snow and ice, the red tails start to get desperate, and that's when they start hitting, anything they can get a hold of. So, and then also roadkill. But, yeah, so you guys might see a golf course video here soon. If we catch something or just get good footage from it. And hopefully we get another nice bird, and then we can start training again, and it's getting closer to where the leaves are going to start dropping. So, yep, looking forward to it. Appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you in the next one.